I would like to yield 2 minutes to the gentleman from Georgia, Mr. Allen.
Gentleman from Georgia is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I want to congratulate our Chairman Black on the markup of this important piece of legislation out of the Budget Committee. As we all know, tax season is the worst. It evokes images of stress, accountants, lawyers, and American families sending hard-earned money to the federal government. I, for one, have never been excited when it is tax season, and as a business owner, it took on a whole new meaning. Taxes affect all Americans, but tax season shouldn't include months and months of preparation, often required to hire tax professionals. Our tax code is broken, and millions of Americans are looking to us to fix it. That's why Republicans have released the Unified Tax Reform Framework to provide relief for hardworking Americans and jumpstart our economy. First, it lowers taxes at every income level, allowing Americans to keep more of their hard-earned paychecks. It delivers the lowest tax rates in modern history for job creators, allowing them to invest in growing their business. And I remind you that the small business community is responsible for 70% of all new jobs created. The vast majority of taxpayers will no longer have to deal with the complexity of itemizing due to the increased standard deduction. Small businesses will no longer be taxed under the individual side of the code. Families will no longer be penalized for inheriting family property or businesses when the death tax is removed. Finally, we will cut tax rates on personal savings and investment in half. Americans should invest in their local economies and build towards a more financially secure future without exorbitant taxes. Now is the time for tax reform, and today we take a big step towards action. We must pass this budget. Hardworking Americans across the nation will have the same April 15th they always have if we don't, and that is unacceptable. We cannot miss this opportunity. President Trump is with us on tax reform, and we must act for the American people.
Gentleman's time has expired.
I urge all of my colleagues to support this budget. It is critical to the American people, and I yield back.